Ay, grabe ka bouncy. So, ayun, our next adventure is we are riding a Karumata. So we're just go look around the mountain. Go. Whoop. Oh, scary. So I feel like a boss right now. You know, the wheels they don't have any bearing. Cornfield. I am a king of the north, a king of the night watch. Sagbot nga dalan. Hala. Wow. Pawaysa. So we stop right here. Pick up some talong, eggplant. So eggplant. So we're going to pick eggplant. Ouch. Wow, it's fresh. Thank you, God. So look what we got here. Wow, it's great. Hamis kayo, hamis pa sa imong uyab. Harvested many times. So my friend told me like the last part of this the quality is getting smaller. So whoever come by here to walk in, they can have it. They just have to pick it up for free, like what I did right now, for free. It's a good thing, huh? So get whatever you want, but don't abuse it. So yeah, this is great. So back home, we got our eggplant. We got it for free. Ingon niya 6x6 ni. Isa sa adwa sa front, sa middle dua, and then the back there dua pod. So amo na ang pinakakulba nga part, guys, kanang adto ka sa kanang lawom nga part, untod ba? Ligid ba yaw ni kuan? Lagutog ni diretso. Oh, I have to hold it. Boom! Oh, yes. And then subida na pod. Permira na pod. So hold tight. Grabe ka sa kaon. Wow, grabe ka sa kaon kayo eh. Gunit.